like a heartbeat breath. Steel arms swinging rhythm overhead. Every stitch a promise that the soul won't shred. Ho, ho, born in the grind where metal meets mine. No room for doubt, just pressure and time. Laces pull tight through eyelids align. Steam hisses, warnings on the assembly line. Hands no flinch, though the heat climbs high. Under the perils, out beneath the rain.